Welcome to Everything RVs and More, your ultimate hub for RV life, off-grid survival, and adventure. Whether you're a full-time traveler or just getting started, this site is packed with tools and resources to help you every step of the way. First stop, the RV Command Center. This is your go-to hub for interactive tools, from trip planning to meal prepping. There are 8 tools in total, so why don't we test one out? To start, the Towing Capacity Calculator. If you're upgrading your rig, this tool makes sense. And it also makes sure that your tow vehicle can handle it. Just enter your vehicle details, click Calculate, and instantly see if your setup is safe. No guesswork needed. In the example, we make sure that it's not safe, just so that you can see. Now let's check out another tool, the Camping Checklist Generator. Select your camping style, choose your essentials, and get a personalized checklist in seconds. And for food lovers, our Camping Meal Planner helps you plan delicious meals for your trip. Just input your trip details, and you'll get a full menu plus easy recipes. Now tell me, doesn't this look delicious? Let's switch gears here and talk gear. The affiliate brand directory is where you'll find the best RV and off-grid products, services, and deals. From off-grid survival gear to outdoor fitness setups. Yeah, you heard that. This directory connects you to the best brands for your lifestyle. From solar power setups to off-grid essentials. Check out that sauna. How about tiny home living? Craftsman Tiny Homes offers incredible off-grid options. Perfect for remote escapes. How about checking out our solar power calculator and the whole solar guide? How about changing over to our online store for even more gear? From camping to RV features and products, to health and beauty, to food and beverages. Our online store curates to your desires. And simply return home. And now that you've seen what Everything RVs and More has to offer, it's time to explore. So whether you need planning tools, RV upgrades, or off-grid strategies, we've got you covered. Be sure to check out the RV Command Center, browse the affiliate brand directory, and visit the store for the latest gear. You can always search up what you need to, or contact us. If you're serious about off-grid living, stick around. That's what the next video is all about.